In this video we can talk about top 5 rephrase info alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. If you're on the hunt for a powerful and effortless tool to rephrase and paraphrase your content, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives of Rephrase Info, including Language Tool, Paraphraser IO, ProWriting Aid, Ginger Software, and Plagibot. So, let's dive right in. Our first alternative is Language Tool. Language Tool is an advanced online tool that is a grammar checker, style editor, and writing mentor all rolled into one. It comes with exclusive features like punctuation checker, grammar check, and multiple language support. With its intelligent algorithms and extensive language database, Language Tool helps you enhance your writing by providing real-time suggestions. But here's one of the standout features of Language Tool, which is its ability to offer multilingual support. Our second alternative is Paraphraser IO. As the name suggests, Paraphraser IO specializes in the art of paraphrasing and comes with 5 modes for paraphrasing content. It offers features like versatile content paraphrasing, free citation generator, and WordPress integration. This handy tool employs natural language processing techniques to rephrase your content while maintaining its original meaning. And one of the standout features of Paraphraser IO is that with just a few clicks, you can effortlessly transform your text, saving you valuable time and effort. Our third alternative is ProWriting Aid. Designed to elevate your writing to the next level, ProWriting Aid offers comprehensive features that analyze your text for grammar, style, readability, and more. It comes with exciting features like data visualization, contextual guidance, grammar check, and plagiarism detection. It goes beyond simple grammar checking and provides valuable insights to enhance your writing skills. The standout feature of ProWriting Aid is its detailed reports that help to offer in-depth analysis and suggestions. Fourth one is Ginger Software. Ginger Software is a comprehensive writing tool that focuses on grammar and spell check of certain content. It comes with features like Rephraser, AI-based synonyms, and online proofreading. With this AI tool, you can correct all your mistakes in the content with just one click. Ginger Software is suitable for both native and non-native English speakers, providing a seamless writing experience. One of the standout features of Ginger Software is the text reader that helps to identify errors through audio feedback. Last but certainly not least, we have Plagibot. This unique tool is a plagiarism checker that ensures your content is original and free from any potential issues. It offers features like extensive database, multilingual support, and data safety. Plagibot scans your text against a vast database of online sources, academic papers, and published articles to detect any similarities. And one of its standout features is the comprehensive plagiarism report it generates, giving you a detailed overview of any problematic areas and helping you maintain the integrity of your work. When compared to Rephrase Info, Language Tool offers a comprehensive grammar checking and writing enhancement experience. Paraphraser IO is a specialized tool that excels in the art of paraphrasing and rephrasing your text effortlessly. ProWriting Aid provides a comprehensive writing enhancement experience with advanced grammar and style analysis to polish your content and elevate your writing skills. Ginger Software provides valuable suggestions to improve your writing style and sentence structure. Lastly, there's Plagibot that specializes in detecting and preventing plagiarism in your content and ensures the authenticity and originality of your work. Now, you must be wondering, which alternative is the best? So, after careful consideration and weighing the options, we would recommend ProWriting Aid as the best alternative to Rephrase Info. With its comprehensive writing enhancement features, ProWriting Aid provides a well-rounded solution for improving your content. Whether it's grammar, style, or readability, ProWriting Aid has got you covered. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Remember to check the description below for links to each of these fantastic alternatives. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.